Hello students, today I will solve a sum in which we have to find the value of SCF by Euclid division algorithm. Statement of this sum is: using Euclid's division algorithm, find the SCF of 4052 and 12576. Since 4052 is less than 12576, so I will take 4052 as divisor and 12576 as dividend. We get quotient, we get the value of quotient and remainder. Value of quotient is 3 and value of remainder is 420. By Euclid's division algorithm, it can be written as 12576 is equal to 4052 into 3 plus 420. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Continuing this process till the remainder becomes 0. Value of remainder is 420. It is not equal to 0. I will take numbers 420 and 4052. 420 as divisor and 4052 as dividend. We have value of quotient and remainder. Value of quotient is 9 and value of remainder is 272. Then by Euclid division algorithm, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. 4052 is equal to 420 into 9 plus 272. Value of remainder is 272. Continuing this process, I will take two numbers 272 and 420. I will take 272 as divisor and 420 as dividend. We get the value of quotient and remainder. Value of quotient is 1 and value of remainder is 148. Then it can be written as 420 is equal to 272 into 1 plus 148. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Value of remainder is 148, not equal to 0. So continuing this process, I will take two numbers 148 and 272. Since 148 is less than 272, so I will take 148 as divisor and 272 as dividend. We get the value of quotient and remainder. Value of quotient is 1 and value of remainder is 124. Then by Euclid division algorithm, 272 is equal to 148 into 1 plus 124. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Value of remainder is 124. Continuing this process, I will take two numbers 124 and 148. Since 124 is less than 148, so I will take 124 as divisor and 148 as dividend. We get the value of quotient and remainder. Here value of quotient is 1 and value of remainder is 24. Value of remainder is not equal to 0. So continuing this process, and 148 can be written as 124 into 1 plus 24. Now I will take two numbers 24 and 124. 24 will take as divisor and 124 will take as dividend. Then it can be written as 124 is equal to 24 into 5 plus 4. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Since value of remainder is 4 not equal to 0, continuing this process, I will take two numbers 4 and 24. Since 4 is less than 24, so I will take 4 as divisor and 24 as dividend. We get the value of quotient and remainder. Value of quotient is 6 and value of remainder is 0. At this stage, remainder is 0. Therefore, HCF of the given numbers 4052 and 12576 is the divisor at this stage. So HCF is equal to 4. Answer. Thank you, students.